Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim a video in Canva. So the process is very easy to do. So first you need to do is just simply add a video in your canvas. So simply let me just add a video. After this, you can adjust its size according to your needs. And once you have adjusted the size, to trim the video, simply select the video and then simply click on this scissor icon on that, and then this will give you this interface. From here simply select this end of this video and you can drag it like this to shorten your video's length. So I'm going to keep it at 4 seconds and then simply click on this done, and that's it, your video has been trimmed. As you can see, this is now only 4 seconds. So that's how you can trim your video in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.